The next directions are for the eye doctor reminder card. So we're creating postcards, and it's a sheet that would have 4 postcards with the eye doctor exam information and who the 4 individual folks that this will be sent to. We're going to use the same graduation addresses database, so there'll be 23 that we'll be sending to. So the first thing you need to do is open up, these are just previews. You already have your graduation merge addresses in your Access saved, so it's already there. So you'll just need to open up the patient reminder card, and what that is, it's just that information less the picture, so that you don't have to type all that information. So the next thing you'll do is, in a new blank Word document, choose Mailings, select Mail Merge Wizard, and I know I said they're called postcards, but you'll find them in labels. So select Labels, and we should already have Avery US letter, and this label size that we're looking for is 8383. And again, you would find these on the package of labels that you buy from Avery. It has the name, the size in the corner, so you'd pick that exact size, and then it shows you over here the dimensions of these postcards. Paper size 8.5 by 11. So go ahead and click OK. And you should have the viewing of your 4 postcards. So what we're actually going to do is split each of the postcards in 2, so that you can have the doctor information, contact information, and then the individual address that you're sending to the folks. So again, you'll select, it's like a table. We did tables before. Choose layout, and you want to split this. So choose split cells, and you want 2 columns and 1 row. So click OK. Then if you click into the next one, all you have to do is press the F4, which is the repeat key. Mine didn't work, so I'll try it again. Now F4. Now it worked. F4. So that you split each of them. The next thing we're going to do is, if you select this, this selects the whole table. And I want to put it all in the center. Click in the first cell. So this is where the address is going to go. So let's go to our mailings, and we're going to choose Select Recipients, and go ahead and get that same graduation merge addresses. Graduation Access Database, and open. And you have next record here, but we're going to take care of that in a minute. If you want to go ahead to your edit recipient list and put it in alphabetical order, you can. If you didn't do it, that's fine too. I just want to show you where that's located. Ascending order is perfect. And click OK and OK. So this is where we want the address block to be. So go ahead and choose the address block. And again, the default's perfect. Click OK. And then you want it to have it on all of the records. So you would choose Update Labels so that they all have it. So what's going to happen is this one here, the second on all of them, won't, because that's going to be the doctor contact information. So if you just press Tab, and then you can press Delete, Tab twice and delete, Tab twice, delete, and twice again, delete. Because one side is who it's being mailed to, and this information here will be the doctor contact information. So in your other Word document, Control A, Control C, go back to our template, and in here, Control V. Now before you paste it into the other one, we're going to put in a picture, and we'll put it right in here between the doctor's name and the location. So go ahead and do Insert Online Picture and find any picture you like. You can select any picture. It'll probably be huge. That's okay. I'm going to select the unknown author and click it again, and then just press delete. And then for the picture itself, I'm going to choose square and make it a little bit smaller. And sometimes the square type, it's not letting you move it, so you have to play with it. I'm going to try top bottom and see if that lets me move it around. See, it's still not doing it. So I'll try in front of text. Now I'll try tight. Giving me a hard time. There we go. And I want to have it just above the address. So maybe I'll make it a little bit smaller. it doesn't give you this much trouble. Oh, you know why? So it's probably because I have it set for center. So let me try through. I just want to get it above the address. So how about if I put in an enter there? Now can I move it there? It gives me a little bit more wiggle room with the enter in there. There. Hopefully you won't have as much trouble. All right, now when you're happy with it, the way it appears, click back in the previous one, and when you press tab, it selects everything. And now I'll do copy, then click here, paste, in here, paste, and in here, paste. So there you have it. Now all we have to do, so the one postcard is completed with the 4 separate individual placeholders, and we're ready to finish and merge. So mailings, finish and merge, edit individual documents, all, and OK. And there you have it. And there'll be 23 of them. And that's a save and a submit. Thank you.